Drop! Hey everybody, welcome back to Spare Time. Right here I have the PS4 suit I've been working on for nearly a year. Got some of the details still missing from the suit, but still wanted to show off what I did to it. Back spider looking on point, front spider looking good, web shooters fantastic. Really love how these came out. What I'm most impressed with though is the lenses. These ones are really well done. They're also magnetic. Oh, there's my eyes. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It took me quite a while to get this done just because of mostly procrastination and kind of forgetting about it, but still happy to get it done and to be working on it and to showing it off to you guys. Still got a few more details I want to work on this suit. Those will be videos for the future. For right now, thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time right here on Spare Time. And yeah, everything else is doing pretty good. I'll have more updates as I do more stuff on the suit, and I'll have to show you guys a little bit more about what I do.